So today we'll be discussing about conflict of dharmis, and we'll be differentiating some remedies based on the conflict of the dharmis. The remedies which are having predominantly the seat of action on dermis. So those remedies will be differentiating. So as you all know, the structure of dermis, the papillary layer, reticular layer, the content which are there in the dermis are the hair follicles, the sebaceous gland, and all the nerve plexuses and the capillary loops. This is the basic you all must be knowing. So we have to remember that the hair follicles, the sebaceous, glands, and the nerve plexus and the capillary loops are there in the dermis. So the main function of dermis here is protection, and these sebaceous and sweat glands are placed over here. The origin of the dermis is from the old mesoderm. So the structures which are originating from the old mesoderm, they are controlled from the cerebellum as per the GNM concept. So old mesoderm, it forms the corium or the dermis of the skin, pleura, peritoneum, the greater omentum, pericardium, breast glands. The breast glands, they are the modified sweat glands. So these sweat glands, they have modified with respect to time, and they have converted into breast glands, the tunica vaginalis of the testes and the eyelid glands. So all these structures, they are developing from the old mesoderm, the primitive mesoderm. Now the conflict of dermis, attack conflict. So when the function of the dermis is protection, so the conflict of the dermis is the attack conflict. Now this attack conflict involves either physical attack or verbal attack. Physical attack means a person coming or threatening you, and he's uh, wanting to hit you physically. So that causes attack conflict. Verbal attack, any words which are fired to you by any person, that causes the verbal attack. Then feeling unclean. If you have a constant feeling that, see, I'm in contact with some infectious thing, or my body is not clean, I am touching this dirty object and all, constantly I'm touching this. So this feeling gives you attack conflict. Then feeling soiled. Then dirty remarks. Any dirty remarks by a person given to you also causes attack conflict. Then in the epidemics time, the fear of infection also causes attack conflict. So this time, if people they have this fear of infection, so that is also an attack conflict for them. So constantly washing hands and all, so dermis of this particular part of the skin will be affected. And the physical trauma involves physical fight. If a person challenges you for a physical fight, then this becomes an attack conflict. Surgical procedure, if you are told that now you have to go for a surgery, so this surgical procedure also is an attack conflict for some people. It depends upon the perception of the individual. Then injections, stabbing, piercings. So if kids, they don't want to get injected, so for them this is a physical injury or an attack conflict. Stabbings, piercing, any piercing of the body like here or in the ear and all, so that is also an attack conflict. So verbal attack, which includes scoldings, insults, mortification, humiliation, shame, and threatening. All these things, they act as an verbal attack. So children or a boss scolding a person or insulting someone, mortification and humiliating somebody. Mortification is in front of people, you are completely insulted, and humiliation is a greater degree of insult which you feel. So that is humiliation. Completely, you feel completely devastated. So that is then shame and threatening. So, sir, sneezing will misspread corona to the group. Shame, sorry, just a joke. Shame and threatening. So Any embarrassing situation for a person may cause an this one conflict on the dermis. Attack on one's sexuality or insulting sexual remarks. So attack on one's sexuality, it means any sexual remark. See, some people, they have a habit of walking like male persons, they walk like a female. So any remarks on their behavior or their body language, it gives an attack conflict, and it gives them a lesion below the belt or over the areas on the sexual organs. So all these, so any insult on the sexual performance by the partner, it also gives you an attack conflict, which results in dermal lesions. So feeling unclean. So if you have constantly, if you have a smelly sweat, so you have a feeling always that, see, this my sweat is stinking, my sweat is stinking. So that again gives you an attack conflict. Stinky feet, constant incontinence, if that urine is continuously passing, so you have a feeling that, see, my parts are always unclean. So that also gives you a attack conflict. And contact with repellent. See, when you are in a profession where you have to deal with all these urine, dirt, you have to clean all these things, then this is also an attack conflict for you. So even contact with semen, or even this one vaginal discharges and all, so it may cause an attack conflict to the person exposed. So also by physical contact with a person having an infectious disease. So if a person is having an infectious disease and you come in contact with that, and later you come to know that, see, that person was having a particular disease. So you may have a feeling of that attack conflict. So it depends on the perception of the individual. So hearing bad words will affect the ear, and criticism, and discrimination here in India is very common. Discrimination according to caste, according to religion, and according to north and south, and so many things are there. So this is also an attack conflict. Defamation, then acne or surgical scar on the face. If a person is having any surgical scar or any disfiguring scar on the body part, and which is publicly exposed, so that also gives an attack conflict. So as previously I presented about the different areas where you have lesion and you interpret the body parts according to it. So the same thing applies for the dermis, but only thing is, instead of that separation conflict, now we have to take upon the attack conflict. So for all the body parts, previously I had already explained about the fingers and toes and everything everywhere. So instead of the separation conflict, we have to think about the attack conflict. So now acne is the most common pathology of dermis encountered in our practice. So let us study some remedies of acne with respect to attack conflict. So what I tried is, I tried to study few remedies which are related to dermis. So here in our practice we see mostly the common problem is of dermis, which is acne. So I try to differentiate some remedies based on this attack conflict of GNM. So first coming, so there are 200 remedies mentioned in Radar, this 110 opus. So 200 remedies are mentioned in face chapter, eruptions, acne. So the all I have tried to differentiate mostly the bold letter remedies. So first one is Oramet. So what could be the attack conflict for Oramet that I studied? So ailment from mortification and honor wounded. So Oram is a remedy which is having big esteem, very dignified, and having a sense of honor. So the reaction to the wounding of honor and mortification is self-hating, self-negative thoughts, censorious to oneself. Then delusion appreciated, she is not, neglected duty, very inclined to perform duty or a met. So delusion, reproach, he has neglected his duty and deserves reproach. So whenever he feels that he has not done his duties towards family, towards friend, towards anybody, so he feels the reaction of that particular event is he reproaches himself. So delusion sinned one has, and he feels that if he has not done his duty, he feels that he has done an unpardonable crime. Why I did not perform? Why I did not do my duties? So that much amount of self-reproach this Aurum is having. So what is the attack conflict for Aurum? The Aurum self attack conflict is related to self. So Aurum attacks his own self. That is the attack conflict for Aurum Met. Then arsenic group is also mentioned here. So arsenic central theme is of losing job, money, position because of which he was valued in society. So arsenic brome has the feeling that he has lost the job and the work has totally come to an end. For example, if a person was having certain business and a competitor stands in front of him, so he gives a better option or he gives a better offers to the people. So the arsenic completely loses the business and he feels that now I cannot move up because this competitor has come up and he's giving more profit or he's having more opportunities than me. So that job is coming to an end is the theme of arsenic brome. Arsenic iode is related to creativity. So there is redundancy and letting go of creativity. So arsenic iode, he feels that now I am completely valueless and whatever creativity or whatever talent I had, that is totally gone and I cannot show it off. So this is the feeling for arsenic iode. Then arsenic album is ailment from money from losing, mortification, body will putrefy. Why arsenic has a feeling that his body will putrefy? Why he has a feeling that there are conspiracies against him? One case I had narrated about the Lacaze's conspiracies. So now for arsenic, what is the conspiracies here? Why he feels that he is constantly being contaminated? One is touching and he is contaminated. So arsenic has lot of rubrics which are related to contaminated feeling. So now what is contaminated feeling? Contamination is something which is invading from the outside, any infectious agent. So this is the feeling of arsenic. So here in the mind, arsenic has a feeling that someone is interfering or someone might come in my life and interfere with my job, with my position. So this is another rubric. Delusion, happy in his own house he will never will be. Injury about to receive. So that outside person which is there in the life of arsenic, this will create an injury. Murdered will be murdered. So for each and every remedies, there is a different feeling of murder. So when you are having this murder feeling, it doesn't mean that only a physical assault is a murder. Murder also means that if your honor is getting lost, you are totally deprived of your honor. That is also a murder for you. Murder means anything which is so much dear for your life that you cannot afford to lose and that is totally shattered. So that is the murder feeling for you. So arsenic feels that people outside are conspiring to murder him. Why? Delusion persecuted. There are so many remedies in this persecuted feeling. So for what is this persecuted feeling for arsenic? Different remedies, they have different perception, different feelings. So now why he sees policemen, arsenic? He feels that he is pursued by enemies. So who are these enemies? Pursued he was by police. Sinned one has days of grace. For arsenic, what is this feeling of sin which he has committed? So he sees thieves. Who are these thieves? Who are these people who want to murder him? Who are these enemies for arsenic? So this is one other very important rubric of arsenic delusion. Man does all the things he does. For example, think a situation when you have certain talent in your hand and you are at the top level of your job or position or your business, and some days someone else comes and he's having the same job profile, he's having the better qualification, and he comes and sits at the side of you. So now imagine what kind of feeling you will get. naturally that insecurity will come, and that is the insecurity for arsenic. So this person who has come over here, this is the enemy for arsenic. This is the person who is the murderer for arsenic. This is the person who is an enemy for arsenic. This is the person who can destroy everything which arsenic has, his job position. And after this person, the arsenic will feel that, see, I have lost my value, because whatever I was giving to the company, this person is now able to give. So now what is my value? So here arsenic has a feeling that now I will lose the job. Now he becomes insecure, but eventually he he may be fired also. After this episode, arsenic becomes miserly because there is nothing else left in the life. Whatever I have, so I have to accumulate and accumulate. So here the avarice or the miserly arsenic comes. So it is this person who is an enemy to arsenic. So what is the attack conflict? So the worst situation for arsenic is feeling of worthless. So as a situation I try to explain, a person who is enjoying his job and appreciated suddenly faces somebody which is having a better profile. So this insecurity of arsenic comes from that person, and he is no longer wanted by company. And this is the redundancy feeling for arsenic, for which arsenic has indignation and he is angry about it. And this is the attack conflict for arsenic. So see how beautiful the remedies they think. So we have to go into the mind of this remedy and we try to find out what is there. Calcarea carb, ailment money from losing. So this is very, very important. The most important rubric of Calcarea is ailment from protection, parental protection excessive. This rubric clearly defines what is Calcarea carb. It defines the weakness of Calcarea carb. What is that? A Calcarea carb person, imagine a Calcarea carb child. This child grows up into a teenage boy. He then grows up into a young man, and then he grows up into a middle-aged person, then into an old age. So everywhere he needs protection. The carb child needs protection from parents. Then when he grows up, he needs support from father. Then when he grows up, then he needs support from the teacher and the person who is guiding him. And after that, he needs protection from somewhere from someone else, so that he accumulates money. So here he is taking support from the money. When he's in the old age, again he wants protection, so he looks to his children or grandchildren for protection. So the whole life of Calcarea goes like this. So there is protection, protection, protection wanting everywhere. So now what is that? Delusion murdered will be murdered. So when your protection is lost, you are unsafe in this whole wide world. Then what happens? You feel that I am exposed. Now I will be destroyed. Now my end is near, because you are not independent. You are dependent since beginning, and that feeling of survival of as an independent person has not been developed. So here you feel murdered. So different thinking processes. In the arsenic, murder feeling was different. In Calcarea car, murder feeling will be different. So here Calcarea feels that I will be finished if the support is lost. Persecuted is coming from the same feeling. Snakes in and around her means once I am exposed, once I have lost the support, people, they will attack me and they will take away everything from me. Delusion watched she is being. So I am constantly being watched. Where is my weak point? And I am constantly under surveillance. That is the feeling of Calcarea car. So now what is the attack conflict? So Calcarea feels that it is there is a need for protection, and when the protection was there, Calcarea was good, and when the protection is lost, Calcarea has a feeling of attack conflict. So anyone can attack me if my protection is lost. So now Calcarea self delusion, body ugly, body looks. Then delusion, misfortune inconsolable over imagined misfortune, Calcarea self single remedy. Then wretched she looks. Now what does this feeling, wretched looking feeling? It is there in Nature Muir also, but in a different context. So here the look of the calcareous self is like this feeling in the calcareous self is, it is related to the self-esteem. When the sulfur is being added in the calcarea, so a certain amount of ego or self-esteem comes. So it is all about the show. So calcareous self wants to project that I am good, good, good. And in order to project this, so he does all the good, good things, and in return, he wants the appreciation. So what is the attack conflict? Satisfaction of the self-esteem through appreciation. So there is a want of appreciation. The survival is for appreciation. So this is the attack conflict for calcarea self. So when the self-respect or the appreciation is not being given to calcarea self, then calcarea self feels very bad, and that is the attack conflict for calcarea self. Silicata, the theme of calcarea silicata is unsure about self-image. So this calcarea silicata, he has a feeling that his self-image is getting disturbed. So with respect to this, the calcarea silicata is very sensitive to criticism from the family. So the image is there in two places, at home and outside home. So at home means he wants that he should have a proper fixed image, or that image should not be disturbed. So family should respect him. He should have a good this one image in the family. So whenever anyone who tries to criticize him in the family, then Calcarea silicata feels bad. Then delusion feels old. Delusion women, old wrinkled women. So the Calcarea silicata has in his perception a feeling that he is old. That means Calcarea silicata feels that he is very old. Then old means he is very weak. So inside he feels that he is very weak. Delusion women, old wrinkled women. So he feels that he is like a very old person who is very weak. So that is the thing which is there in the perception of Calcarea silicata for his own self. Now what is the attack conflict? So these Calcarea silicata people, they do not want to appear weak, and they do not want to doubt their capabilities. So they want others to recognize them. They want to preserve their image inside as well as outside the family. So why they try to preserve this image is because everything depends upon this. So when the image outside is distorted, then the value of Calcarea silicata will be, nobody will value him, Calcarea silicata. So this is how, what is the attack conflict for Calcarea silicata? The preservation of self-image. Carbon group. So this Calcarea silicata is insecure about the self-image. So whenever his image is getting distorted because of criticism, any defamation or any comment or anything happening with respect to his own self or family, this becomes the attack conflict for Calcarea silicata. Now carbon group has a central theme of independent existence. So carbon group is in a situation where a child is coming out from the womb, and he is just outside and he is looking at this whole wide world. So what is there in this world? So he has a doubt. Carbon personalities, they have a doubt about individual existence, and the attack is about individual existence. Carbo animalis, delusion alone being a world in the Carbo animalis has a forsaken feeling. A lot of forsaken feeling is there in Carbo animalis, and mind ejaculation after. So when this carbon group, they have a doubt about their individual independent existence. So here anything which parts away from the carbon, the insecurity again comes back. So this is the ejaculation after aggravation is in Carbo animalis. So delusion imaginations hearing of tone comes from another world. So now here the Carbo animalis has a feeling that he is, the Carbo animalis is also in the rubric homesickness or home desire too. So what is home for Carbo animalis is the previous situation in which he was comfortable in, the intrauterine life. So in that life where he was very much comfortable, so Carbo Animalist wants to go into that. So he hears that tune that which is coming from that particular area where he was very much comfortable, and he wants to hear that particular this one tone. So displacement is a problem. So Carbo Animalase has problems with displacement. Displacement here means when you are getting shifted from one location to another. So that is the problem situation for Carbo Animalis. So Carbo Vegetabilis, there is these Carbo Vegetabilis people, they are very much timid. Delusion, willpower as if loss of. So they have a feeling that see I am a very weak willed person. या मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे अंदर में स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है, मेरे अंदर में डिटर्मिनेशन नहीं है किसी चीज को करने की. So they have the loss of willpower. They lack the willpower, and they feel that they are in dark. And important, very important rubric is delusion oppressed here. Oppressed here means total. If a person is dictator who is ruling a country, so the amount of rules and regulation which this person applies on that particular country, that is the oppressive rule. So you can imagine that Carboveg has a feeling that the whole world has tried to oppress him, tried to crush him. And the reason for this is because he is very timid. He is complying to the wishes of others. He feels that because of this timidity, he tries to work and work and work. He never says no. So that is why he feels that now he is being oppressed. And because of the same timidity, he feels that he is being possessed. Possessed here means people they try to take control of him. This is possessed. So possessed and oppressed. So this feeling in Carbovage comes from timidity because he never is able to retaliate, and this in turn comes from the weak willpower. Now, what is the attack conflict for Carbovage? Because of the weak will and timidity, anyone can control him and crush him. This is the attack conflict for Carbovage. Carbonium self. Carbonium self. Now here the carbon with sulfur has come. So sulfur gives a certain amount of ego. Delusion emperor talked of. So he has a feeling that big shots, they are talking about me. Delusion enemy surrounded by enemies. So he feels that I'm surrounded by enemies. Now who are these enemies? Delusion injury about to receive. Because of the enemies, I will receive injuries. What kind of enemies? Despair, itching of the skin from. This is one symptom mentioned in carbonium self. Delusion, imagination, obstacles. Vision has grandeur of magnificent. So he feels that in the life there are obstacles, and because of these obstacles, they are being created by all these people who are against me. So what is these attack conflict of carbonium self? So these carboniums, they are searching for their identity. And with addition of sulfur, the esteem is being added to it. So ego is developed in carbonium self, which is reflected in the rubrics which I presented. So attack conflict is regarding this image which he thinks he has formed. He thinks all are enemies who try to injure this particular image. So that is the attack conflict for carbonium self. Causticum has very important rubric is duty, too much sense of duty. Here the word is duty and another thing is responsibility. A person who is responsible is a different thing. Responsibility is coming from inner sense that I want to do something. It is a spontaneous feeling, whereas duty is bounded by certain rules which is given from outside, and then you have to command and then you have to follow. So causticum are people who takes too much sense of duty, and they want to perform a task because they feel that it is the rule which is given to them. Sensitive cruelties when hearing of. At the same time, these causticum people, they feel that they are responsible and they have to, they have to take care of the whole group because they are very sympathetic people and they are sensitive to cruelty. Say for example, if in a area where uh, a large group of people are working and here there is one causticum, anything which is disturbing the environment of that place, anything which is unfair in that particular place, so the people they are getting affected from it, causticum feels his moral duty to just help these people who are being influenced by the any unfair treatment because he is sensitive to cruelties. So what is the attack conflict? Causticum wants to do his duty, and there is causticum is not mentioned under any of the responsibility rubric. Causticum is only mentioned in the duty. So he feels his duty to fight against injustice. So he is the strongest member of the group. So any threat to anyone is taken upon his on his own. So causticum takes on the attack on the other people on his own self. So this is the attack conflict for causticum. So attack of the people is taken on his own self by causticum. So this is the peculiarity of the attack conflict. Copaiva officinalis very less frequently used. Delusion small things appear small things. Then delusion tall he is tall. Quarrelsome recriminations about trifles. So this is very important rubric of Copaiva officinalis. This quarrelsome recriminations about trifles. What is this? Then another delusion is delusion sheep, black sheep, she is the. Now what is this black sheep? The black sheep here represents someone who has disgraced the family. So Kopaiva has a feeling that now I have disgraced this family and the reaction of anything is contemptuous to his own self. So like Oram, Kopaiva is having contempt for own self. Delirium urticariae. What is this rubric? So urticaria is hypersensitivity to allergen. So delirium in urticaria means when one has to face a hostile environment. So in such a situation, this Copaiva personality, it goes out of track. So it goes into a delirium, almost delirious state. So Copaiva is sensitive to recrimination. What is this recrimination? Recrimination means an accusation or insult which is fired back again at you. So this accusation, say, Copaiva is very, very sensitive to. Self-contempt feeling. So when any accusation is fired at Copaiva, this is taken upon as self-contempt. So Copaiva feels that this is given to me because I am responsible for it. So here in Copaiva also like Oram, there is a feeling of autoimmune self-attack for the own self. So this is the attack conflict for Copaiva. So just like Oram, so difference between these two is the Oram is very much duty mounted personality. Here Copaiva is not much like that, and both are sensitive and both are contemptuous towards the own self. Oram is all the more being a metal is a very strong personality, rigid and obstinate and adamant. Not so in Copaiva. Dalkamara. Dalkamara important rubric here is ailment from quarreling, ailment from mortification. This is very important rubric. Then delusion disabled she is. So anyone who is feeling disabled could be because of two reasons. Number one, a person is having some problem within self, that is why he is become disabled. Number two, some controlling factor comes from outside and you feel that you are not being allowed to do anything. That is also disabled feeling. What is happening in Dalkamara is Dalkamara feels being misunderstood. Why? Despair supported wants to be. What kind of support Dalkamara wants is Dalkamara is a very dictatorial remedy. When Dalkamara is at in a family setting, is at home. So Dalkamara wants to control everybody. But the feeling behind controlling is Dalkamara uh, wants something good for other people or for the family. Dalka Mara wants something good to be done. So for that, Dalka Mara forces or pressurizes, or even in turn, Dalka Mara becomes dogmatic. But she wants the support of the family also. What happens is, because of this dictatorial and dogmatic nature, these people who supports Dalkamara starts moving away from Dalkamara. So this reaction Dalkamara is not able to tolerate. So what is this feeling is, the emotional warmth which Dalkamara was receiving, that emotional warmth is getting lost. So this is the cold reaction which Dalkamara feels from this person. And in the physical feeling, Dalkamara has aggravation from cold damp. And this is the mental reaction of Dalkamara, which is cold, unemotional reaction from the person, which gives him problem or ailment. Understood? This is what is the feeling of Dalkamara. So Dalkamara is very, very sensitive to opinion of others. So these things, they hurt Dalkamara to the core. And the attack conflict of Dalkamara is because of the emotional reaction of the other person, which is cold, which is unemotional towards Dalkamara, where Dalkamara is expecting some emotional response. So this type of behavior is an attack conflict for Dalkamara. So why Dalkamara feels misunderstood is because I was doing all the things for your own good, but nobody is understanding me. So this is misunderstood feeling of Dalkamara. Fluoric acid, betrothal must be broken. Very, very important. Marriage dissolve, marriage must. And hatred unreasonable, indifference to important things, indifference to loved ones, and indifference to loved ones, and animated to strangers. So this is the reverse. ये उल्टा है कि fluoric acid is ignoring important things, family members which are very important. The fluoric acid is ignoring, and this it is ignoring and uh, paying weightage to person who are on the outside. So fluoric acid is involving in all activities of physical satisfaction. Unendurable idea of marriage seemed. Fluoric acid feels that the idea of marriage is unendurable. So what is the reaction of fluoric acid is, the idea of bonding or relationship is a problem for fluoric acid. He always wants to escape from this bonding. He always wants to be free from such burdens. So what is the attack conflict? Bonding is an attack for fluoric acid. He doesn't want to bond. If a person is getting emotionally attached to fluoric acid, then this is the attack conflict for fluoric acid. Very peculiar. Graphitis, anxiety conscience of unpardonable sin feels he has done and will be eternally lost. Delusion, criminal he is. Now, what is the attack conflict for graphitis? So, graphitis is a remedy which needs a moral code to live by. And from where this moral code is coming? This moral code is coming from Father and from higher, that is the God. So, this graphitis needs someone to guide whether this thing is good or whether this thing is bad. So this thing is lacking in the life of graphitis. So when this situation is available for graphitis person lives a very good life and he's a very stable personality. When this thing is not available, the graphitis becomes all the more unstable, and they becomes emotionally, or they go in a state of confusion. So this lack of moral guidance act as an attack conflict for graphitis. Hyper self, ailment from anger suppressed. See, Auromet was for oneself. Then we have studied different remedies. So different remedies have different perception of attack conflict. So here Hyper self is sensitive to discords between friends and from parents. Now what is the reaction? Hyper self was very much caring. He was very much loving his family, his friends, his children. But suddenly what happened? Because of some reason, there occurred a fight, and hyper self patient got offended. And when he got offended, he went into a state of directly into a stage of rage. And this rage is profound almost. He is very revengeful. He becomes impulsive. So a person for whom he herself was doing so much care, he was doing so much affection, that person he humiliated herself, which resulted in an attack conflict in herself. So what is the attack conflict? Uh, it comes from the person who loves or take for whom herself personality is taking care of, and that person tries to humiliate herself. I have written wrong. So attack conflict comes from a person for whom herself was taking care of, and that person humiliates herself, insults him very badly, to which this herself reacts very angrily. This is the attack conflict for herself. Calibrum, there is again autoimmune feeling. Again, there is a feeling of guilt. Lot of rubrics related to guilt in Calibrum. Neglected duty. Now, what is this persecuted feeling? This persecuted feeling of Calibrum, it comes from God, that God will take revenge if I do certain things which are not according to the moral code. So guilt of not doing the task or duty is the attack conflict for Calibrum. I was given a task, I did not do it properly, I did it wrong. So that guilt conscious, it gives an attack conflict and it goes into autoimmunity. Leadenpal, skin eruptions only on the covered part. It defines the personality of the Leadenpal or the relationship of the Leadenpal. So what does it signify? It signifies that Leadenpal is a very reserved and introverted remedy. Hatred for humankind is there in Leadenpal. Hatred persons offended him, hatred of person who has. So the reaction of Leadenpal, whenever anyone offends him, so he directly goes into a state of hatred. He has an indignation and he develops hatred for humankind when he is offended. Already this person was reserved and then again he got uh, disturbed and he got offended, and then he hates everybody. Not even that person, he hates everybody. Disgust with everything. So he develops that disgust with everything. I do not care what you do. I have a disgust for you. Now I don't want to be in relationship with you. Now this hyper self attack conflict is anger with indignation, and he develops disgust from person who offends him and develops hatred. So this is the reaction of hyper self, which is peculiar. Natramure, honor wounded, this is a remedy which you all know. The important thing here is neglected from father, neglected from mother, from punishment, from rudeness, from scorn, from shame, from everywhere this Natramure has problem. Then insulted he is. Net is as if, what is net? Net here means personality who is engaged in his own thoughts. So he is never able to come out of all those bad memories which is lurking inside him. So this is the net feeling of Netramure, and he feels that he cannot succeed in anything. If a person is so much emotionally badly involved in thinking process, where the success will come, he will never succeed in life because logic is gone. Only his emotional thoughts are coming. So the attack conflict is dwelling on disagreeable occurrences. This is the attack conflict for Netramure. So he recalls all those bad memories and then he tries to dwell upon all those disagreeable memories. So this is the recalling bad memories is the attack conflict. He just cannot forget all those bad memories. These thoughts keep on attacking and attacking Netramure, all these negative thoughts. So this is the attack conflict. Next, Vomika, just because time is running away, I'll just give a brief info. So for Nux Vomica is related to ambition. Ambition increased for fame, increased for money. Delusion, heart live without he can. So Nux Vomica has become so much hard from inside that there is no place of emotions, literally no place of emotion. So he doesn't have a heart. So my heart is like a stone, I can survive. So here, only thing in Nux Vomica is ambition. So for attack conflict is ambition deceived. What does ambition deceived here means? Deceived means person was trying to do something or there was certain aim and some person manipulated him or given him a wrong direction. See, you have to not do like this, you have to do like this. So this is the deception which Nakshamika receives, and because of that, the ambition fails. And after this, Nakshamika falls ill. Jealousy is important. So ambition is needed for growth. So when the growth is being attacked, when the progress is under attack, Nakshamika is under attack. So this is the attack conflict. Rhododendron is a spineless remedy. Delusion, despised, laughed, mocked at. See, scorn ailment from father. A situation, imagine rhododendron child, father is constantly scolding him, constantly giving him a feeling that you are not, you are useless, you are worthless. So this same feeling comes when he goes outside. He feels that people are laughing at me because people at home were laughing at me. Now people from outside are laughing at me. Then he feels that he is despised. He is being looked upon by people, and the attack conflict comes that this breaks the confidence, the scorn which breaks the confidence, and being a cowardly and a weak personality, spineless personality, he cannot find, and so he suffers from. Also, he has got this self-contempt. So this gives him an attack conflict. Russ talks is for 5 minutes more. I'll take Russ talks. This attack conflict is from bewitched feeling. Bewitched has got.
One more, sir. There is no
Yes, sir.
time limit. We can continue. No problem.
Okay, okay. Sir. So Russ talks has bewitched here means two things. Bewitched is can be used in positive and negative sense. Positive sense means suppose there is a beautiful guy or a handsome guy or a beautiful girl. So you get attracted to it and you are not you're not able to just ignore, and you are not able to shift your attention from that. So this is a bewitched feeling in a positive sense. Another is somebody has done something, somebody has done some black magic, some cast, some spell has been cast. So that is a bewitched feeling. Rust talks, bewitched is in the negative sense it is used. So depending upon, you can use it in a positive sense also. But here mostly in the rubrics, it is for the negative sense. Delusion, injury being injury, because Rust talks constantly feels that someone is there in my home who will try to give me injury. Okay. Lachesis is also there. Ophidia group is also there in delusion, injury being injury. But what is the difference? Lachesis feels that injury is coming from outside, from surrounding areas, not from the family. This differentiates Rustox and Lachesis and the Ophidia group. Rustox has a feeling that closed people or people who are relatives or friends or those people will try to attack me. So delusion pursued by enemies. Who are these enemies? For Rustox, the people who are from the inside, they are the enemies. So the fear of Rust dogs, it has no base. Fear superstitious is the basis. So all these delusions, they come from just fear superstitious. Rust dogs has a feeling that see that people has done something, that person has done something, and he is doing some black magic on me. So nothing has happened. It is just the superstitious fear which is making him feel like that. So this is the attack conflict. Now, sulfur, the attack conflict of sulfur is related to the honor wounded. So, the life of sulfur revolves around only one thing, and that is honor and esteem. So, he tries to preserve this at any cost. So, with this, I conclude the lecture, and thank you all. Please try to give comment about the whatever YouTube things I have posted, so that I can improve myself. Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity.
If there are any questions, you can please ask.
Sir, this arsenicum album and calcarea, in both the insecurity is there.
Mhm.
How to differentiate, sir?
See, Calcarea insecurity is about survival. Calcarea feels that I cannot survive if I do not have that dependency on someone. I have to depend on someone. After that only I'll be able to survive. Arsenic's this insecurity is only about losing his self value. This self value is coming from the job or from the position which arsenic is currently at. He is not bothered. Arsenic is an independent remedy. Arsenic is not bothered about of taking support from others. Although arsenic is there, if I remember correctly, yes, arsenic is there in Carrot Desire for also arsenic is there. Arsenic wants the support when he is in a despair wala state. Calcarea wants constant support. Once arsenic is in a certain position, he is fine, he is aram se. Okay. But Calcarea needs that security always, even though even though he is in a certain position, still he will want that support to be near him. This is a must for Calcarea. On that, the whole personality of Calcarea revolves.
So, sir, in ours, there is more of loss of territory.
Territory, yes, it is.
Okay, sir.
Or
Thank you.
the same support is territory for Calcarea. Money is again a territory for Calcarea. For arsenic also, money is a territory. For everybody, actually, money is a territory. So the perception regarding money is important. So Calcarea feels that if I have money, I have power, I'll be able to survive. And for arsenic, the money is value, status, position.
Sir, in chat box there is a question, sir. What about Staphysagria?
What about Staphysagria? It is a lot of feeling attacked. Staphysagria is again a very honorable remedy, dignified remedy. But just let me check whether Staphysagria again has a feeling of honor, esteem remedy. It is there. So uh, this goes. It has almost everywhere there is separation which is penting up inside. So Staphysagria, the reaction is keeping inside. Staphysagria will not react. Why? Because it is against my standard or it is against my dignity if I react. Suppose if a Staphysagria person is walking on the road and some rowdy person tries to do something to him. Mercury person will definitely will go and fight. Staphysagria will not fight because he thinks that why to fight? That person is already a rowdy person. At least I have some dignity. If I shout and then this person he says one more gali or if he abuses me, then I will lose everything. This person will not lose anything. So that is the thinking process of Staphysagria. Dulcamara is like Lyco somewhere, sir. Lyco and Dulcamara. I don't think somewhere they are matching. Lyco is totally different. Dulcamara is totally different. With respect to attack conflict, uh, Lyco is again related to position or power. Power is the main thing which Lyco wants, whereas that is not there in Dulcamara. Even though both are dictatorial, but for Dulcamara, it is the emotional sensitivity which is required. Lycopodium doesn't want that emotional locha and all. He just wants I should have the power. I should be powerful. I should control everybody. because if I don't control, I cannot survive. So survival is gaining power. That is like go.
Thank you, sir. I request Dr. Ishwamurthy to do the conclusion, vote of thanks.
Sir, one doubt,
Hello.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, about duty and responsibility, how to differentiate, like while asking the questions to a patient, how to ask questions about duties and responsibilities.
See, if a person who is responsible, he will always work. Even though he gets sick, he will work. That desire for working will still be there. If a person who is just taking on duty, when he is sick, he will take leave. Very easy to differentiate with this point. For housewives who are having responsibility and duty, कि सर मैं बीमार हो गई हूँ, I have to work because nobody else is working at home. Nobody else is there to help me out. So I have to work, sir. So this is the duty.
Hello.
Feeling which is having. Responsibility is the problem in that. So that is the feeling of or expression you get when a person who is responsible and a responsible person is talking. Because for him, the priority is responsibility.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Ishwar.
So responsibility
Good
is
evening, everyone.
yes.